everybody has a misconception on what epilepsy is. They think it's one set group of people. Actually, it's not. I met my wife, and she's a regular, normal person. And when she told me that she has epilepsy, I was surprised. It hit me like a ton of bricks. I had a misconception that only a certain group of people, not someone that's a regular, normal Joe, can have it. And so need to be more awareness out there that anybody can have it. Doesn't have to be one specific person or a group of people. You could be walking down the street, riding a bus to and from work, or on the train, and all of a sudden you could look over, normal person, all of a sudden just having a seizure. That person might be an epileptic, and you might be surprised. Even someone in your own family that might be afraid, that might don't want to come out saying they're an epileptic. Don't be afraid. Just come out, and there's help out there. People willing to give you help, and be surprised how more knowledge people will have. They'll be more in tune and acceptance of it because it's not that bad as long as you understand what it is. It's not that scary at all. Because my wife is an epileptic, and we are having a great life together, and we're envisioning our own family. So don't worry, just take one day at a time and just enjoy what the life has come for you and enjoy. Thank you.